Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to create a scatter plot chart or scatter chart in Google Spreadsheet or in Google Sheets. So as you can see, we have miles and cost of the mile. Now we can see we have, already our data here. What we can do is we can highlight the data because, if we want to add a chart, we need to highlight the data. We can go to insert chart, and obviously, Google Sheet will already automatically insert a scatter plot chart, right? This is how it looks like. And since the cost is going from lowest to highest and miles from lowest to highest, it's pretty much the chart will be just a straight line like this, right? If we change, for example, here, if we change something to 500 or 600, we can see the chart immediately, slips, right? And this is basically how it works, right? Now, as you can see on the right side, we can actually change the setup and customize our scatter plot chart. We can go to customize, we can go to chart style, for example, background color of the chart, right? The font of the chart, we can do Verdana, right? And it changes the whole font of the chart. Now, what's so good here is you can go to series and you can pretty much go to the color, right? You can change the color of the chart, right? The color of indicators, you can change that to, for example, green if we want it. Point size, it could be 10, right? It could be square, it could be star, for example, it could be hexagon, right? We can also put error bars, right? So you can see the error bars, right? Like here, kind of like candlesticks on, if you're watching stocks or crypto. Then you can also click trend line, to see a trend line. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also put, type polynomial, right? Power series, moving average, right? We can do it like that. Line opacity, we can change that. So there's a lot of things you can change. And yeah, keep in mind, if you change anything from here, for example, we can change this to 100, it will move on the chart, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, this is pretty much how to create a scatter plot chart or a scatter chart in Google Spreadsheet or in Google Sheets.